Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we are building a little end of summer fashion show. I started building the structure with a full sheet of foam board. I measured over 18 inches and marked my line and then cut through. I took the part I cut off and measured it down to 8 inches and cut it. Then I cut two strips that were 2.5 inches wide, and I glued them underneath the 8-inch section of foam board. Then I used some hot glue and connected the catwalk to the first board that we cut, which became the back wall. I cut out another 2.5-inch strip of foam board and glued it on the front to close up the structure. I decided to use this black and white tile paper to cover the walkway. So I picked this blue purple cloudy paper to be the backdrop. Once it was all on, I didn't like it, so I do change this later. I took some blue paper and covered the sides. And then I cut two 4-inch pieces of foam board to glue to the walkway to create like a hallway. And then I covered them with this greenish blue scrapbook paper. I did end up having to add a floor kind of between the front wall and the back wall just for stability. So like I said, I was not a fan of the paper I used, and I found I had this green felt material, so I ended up using it. It kind of reminded me of grass, and with the whole end of summer theme, I thought it worked. I had these little leaves I had bought when I did the Barbie beach hotel room. I took two wooden coffee stirrers and glued them on the front board just to cover the seam. Then I started gluing on the leaves. For the back wall, I did take a square of the greenish blue scrapbook paper and put behind the leaf just so it would pop against the green background. I had to see how Barbie looked on the walkway. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.